Start. The illustration 2, that section says that if a soldier fires on a mob by the order of his superior officer in conformity with the commands of the law, he commits no offense. Stop. The occasion to apply the provisions of the section does not arise in the instant case, since the question as to whether the accused believed in good faith on account of a mistake of fact that he was found by law to do the act which is alleged to constitute an offense would arise only if, to the extent relevant in this case, the order of command of the superior officer is not justified or is otherwise unlawful. Stop. Para. It is a matter of record that accused A1 has passed away and the matter against him stands abated. Stop. The other accused appellants, with a view to take advantage of this situation as an afterthought, have pleaded here in the defense that they were merely executing the orders of accused A1. Stop. At the outset, we may indicate that it is not mere that the accused appellants have to prove that they have followed the order of the superior officer accused A1. Rather, they need to also prove to the court that the aforesaid appellants bona fidely believed that the orders issued by accused A1 were legal. Stop. However, our attention was not drawn to any argument before the courts or evidence on record to this effect that the accused appellants were merely acting on the orders of their superiors on a bona fide belief that such orders were legal. Stop. It was act even their case from the beginning that the accused appellants were not aware of facts and circumstances. Rather, all of them started out of as a investigation party with full knowledge and participation. Stop. On the perusal of the record, we may note that this argument is only taken before this court to seek a retrial, and such attempt cannot be taken into consideration herein. Stop. The third question concerns about the acquittal of accused A10. Stop. It would be necessary to deal with the individual liability of accused A10, as he states that he was not present with the investigation party. Stop. Although some evidence points to his presence with the investigation party, but the fact remains that all the other accused have unanimously stated that A10 did not accompany them, as he fell sick during the investigation and accordingly went home. Stop. We need to examine the liability of accused A10 with the above premise in mind. Stop.